Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, wishing you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving, hoping you're having a wonderful day. Hey, I normally just send out an email, but this year it was on my heart to record a video so that you know this American holiday, this Thanksgiving, where we're all focused on an amazing meal, gathering with family, that we just don't forget to count our blessings. There are so many. And on my heart, I want to count you. You are a blessing to me and this entire company. We know without you, we wouldn't exist. So I want to make sure you know you are on my list of blessings. Your name is there. So as you gather with friends and family, please know that you are being spoken about around our dinner table as well as one of the most amazing blessings we've ever experienced. We love you. We appreciate you. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.